that embarrassing, yeah.
No, sir.
Thank you so much. It's really wonderful, and I think it's
not over.
So you have to eat
Thank you so much. I don't want to. I don't want to miss this wonderful cake. I think, but the cake is not as sweet as you guys are. Thank you.
Like to say something?
I don't know. It's as I said in the morning, this I think thus far the batches that we have trained, you're one of the most wonderful bunch of kids. I don't think I should call you kids. You're the most wonderful bunch of people that I've had to train with, and I'm so privileged to be here in your midst. These 5 days are really amazing. It's tough for us to be out of our homes, out of our families, and but you guys really make it worthwhile. The way you open your hearts up and the way you share, the way you come and interact. What encourages me most is that when someone who has someone who is very hesitant but comes and opens up and takes that bold step to come up and make a presentation and really step out of that comfort zone and live up to your potential. Because I believe that each of you is gifted. You're uniquely created by God. You're special in His sight. And I want you to live up to that speciality that you are. Don't just undermine yourself thinking that I can't do it. You can do it. It's only that you don't want or you don't make the effort to do it. Most of us just don't make the effort to do it. But I think you can really be successful, and success doesn't mean earning a lot of money. Don't get me wrong. Being successful does not mean that you will earn a lot of money. Being successful means that you will be able to live up to your potential, and you will find joy in that. Regardless of what you do, which line, which profession, which organization that you join, if you are able to live up to your potential, you will find the joy in every day. Every day becomes a joy to live. You look forward to waking up every morning. For a lot of people, who are very rich, very successful in the worldly terms, they find every day such a burden. It's a burden for them to actually live. When I ask in a lot of college campuses, who are your stars, who are your heroes? And a lot of them identify with movie stars. This guy is kind of difficult. But the kind of pain and dejection and the low feeling that most of these movie stars go through, they have an empty life. Their lives are empty. They look very flashy on the outside, but deep down inside they are empty almost. Very few of them have actually got meaningful lives, families, and the joys of everyday living. It's not about a lot of money, but it's about being able to live every day meaningfully, adding value to yourself, adding value to someone else. Make it your motto that you will live every day with a purpose, add value to yourself, add value to someone else. Bring you a lot of joy. That's my desire for you. That was my prayer also. To really live to and grow to live for your potential. God bless you so much. Thank you for this wonderful moment. It's very precious for me, and I look forward to the next few years when you really grow and be successful in your lives. Thank you so much.
The activity we did, and we said that we love a snack called Karagatti.
Chakuli.
We didn't taste it.
Yeah.
So we got it for you.
Oh wow.
This is Sonte.
Sonte, okay?
This is
Chakuli.
Okay.
And this is Karagatti.
Honestly, this is something that my wife asked me yesterday. What is special in Mangalore? I said, well, I don't know. Because everywhere I go, she says, get something for me that is special from that place. And you had the thoughts of my heart when you went and just it. Certainly a wonderful gift for you to give me. I will take it back, and my wife will be so thrilled about it. Go ahead, enjoy the cake. It's a wonderful cake, but of course it's not as sweet as you are.
Thank you, sir.